Nanka menim say Appiah Stadium after say oba abonten ebepa akufo aracho efa temidi a wodi ne mire bi atwam nyina ho no. Nanka menim say wasesa onu obi atem yim nanka boy adwuma no so wajai. But ene yeko billionaire Alhaji Banda, the first businessman in Ghana here to own a private jet. Yeko na yie. Ebusa na yie na so no. Appiah Stadium akodi the doctor Osei Kwame Despite asem ama media no so de aji aha Penyah block media mess was any demo oba like video na da room subscribe button so click verification icon for latest update na ba chere wa dwende ama me e wo comment especially so baso no shi video money aso nya bi ahwe it about 4 days ago ana me bro video na say honorable Appiah Stadium is wa ko no go to dwa nim epa ku father chow efa ensem okeka fa no previous years all in the name of politics na go be no say Appiah Stadium asesa Appiah Stadium go be nim say wasesa oni panyin bi atemu bi but abusia ene ana Alhaji Banda so no am tell Ghana he only the first businessman to buy a private jet. Yes, sikeni o Ghana ha no modin kan to private jet ayo no ankasa ndia eh Alhaji Banda wawu enti ene ne ko na yi Accra East Legon na we say ayi na say despite eba ho no mo Eeii Mahama kwa ebidu ho no ohala Appiah Stadium e wo ho no.
Guys, please move. Don't cross this line.
First gentleman of the land, and then Commander Chief of Forces.
Eeii na Appiah Stadium kwa wa yi na so ne nana ahemfie e wo ho.
By imams of the Alhaji Banda Mosque Complex, Airport Residential Area, Accra. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful, we gather our hearts and prayers to pay tribute to our beloved Father and faithful servant of Allah, Alhaji Dr. Alhaji Banda. May Allah grant him eternal peace behind. The mosque he built as a sanctuary for the faithful. To Alhaji Dr. Banda, the building of the mosque was not just a project, but a sacred mission and testament to his passion for fostering spiritual unity and communal worship. His deep commitment was urged in the unique request he made that even in the event of his passing, the distribution of his estate will remain Jannatul Alhaji Dr. Banda was more than a name. He was a beacon of light, a towering figure whose life was defined by unwavering faith, untiring dedication, and boundless generosity. His heart glittered with devotion to Allah and
love and value. Papa was a person never losing sight of what was truly important. They taught me the value of perseverance, the importance of kindness, and the power of a positive outlook. When I always cherish about Papa is his unwavering kindness and generosity. He had a heart of gold and wealth.
Eleza to crab our hormone ever mass some kind of display as a hokore who Apostle Francis Amoakwata.
If agreement were to be signed in bed, women will have owned the world. How terrible is wisdom when it does not bring profit to the man? That is wise. Girls are like mangoes. Once you are waiting for them to ripe, others are eating them with salt. If you were a married man and you find yourself attracted to school girls, buy your wife a school uniform. It is every man's dream to remove a lady's pant one day, but no one is on the dry line. The only warning Africans take seriously is low battery. Dear wives, the silence you keep when you find money in your husband pocket doing laundry, kindly maintain some super condoms in their pocket. He who goes to bed with itching and with some smelling fingers. He will shit when his body flies on his return. Organization is impossible unless those who know the laws of harmony, like Apostle Salif Abuaku, lays the foundation.
Those we love.
Emma McQueen, ye na see through point here. Mrs. Banda, Alhaji Banda when baby ko, ne wife, ebe ready, a tributaries, ye na say.
That day, love was not just marriage. It was a cinematic symphony of devotion and perfection. A masterpiece worth of the Shirley, Fripon, Manso, or possibly a Leila Dancy production. Where faith held the pen and love inked the pages that could be likened to the movie The Notebook. You, my Papa, was my safe place, my North Star, a man of might, yes, a man of tenderness. With you, love was not just spoken, it was lived. Every glance, every touch, every moment with you was a testament to the power of commitment and the depth of unconditional love. They said the years between us were too many, nearly 3 decades apart. But my love, did it matter? For when I was but a young lady, still learning the ways of the world, you already watched over me, nurturing me, protecting me. They say a man finds a wife, but you found a soul to cherish. You raised me not just as a lover, but as a guardian, caring for me until my very teeth grew strong in wisdom, love, and strength. What they say as years, I saw as a lifetime of love wrapped in wisdom. And oh, when the winds of despair blew throughout our home, and my womb refused to cradle life, my faith wavered, and my hope dimmed. It was you who stood firm unshaken. Baba, we will try again. You said 10 years of prayer, of doctors, and of waiting. Indeed, we tried. I questioned, I wept, I surrendered. You had children already, my love. No one would have blamed you if you had stopped trying. But you fought for me because you knew my soul, my silence, ache. You saw my longing when I was lost. Hope. Thankfully, you saw beyond what I had resigned myself to. Not for you, but for me, and for the love that had no limits, no conditions. You wanted me to have companions, for when life would leave me alone. You wanted me to have joy that carried my reflection. And because of your perseverance, my love, Allah, bless us with twins, Hanan and Hanim, eventually, after 12 years of marriage. When the relentless tide turned against you, and your strong hands grew weak, your feet once steady faltered, and your strength became a memory. I became your strength, just as you had once been mine. You cared for me so my teeth could grow, and in return, I cared for you before yours began to fall. I never left your side. For if love could buy time, I would have purchased eternity for you. If devotion could trade places, I would have stood in your stead. And if memory could reverse time, I would have emptied the heavens to keep you here. As destiny was for having known you, for having been loved by you, for having called you my husband, I will forever be honored. Rest well, my love. Your Baba will love you until the end of time.
Just na no so we say no ponye. Mahama say O2. Just Appiah Stadium etata no ho. Emma Mahama kora esnobo Appiah Stadium etwifa no so koye.
First gentleman of this land. Appiah Stadium Papa here. Oh, bro, that's what I'm saying. With the president Maria Kono. Only.
Bread reset despite ebesnako. Na despite ebesnako no. Appiah Stadium eya de bi ema Osei didi despite atem na yenkotie. So over video now you go see say Tama Appiah Stadium ekate despite say oh janse mu no despite etani nani eko hair no. This video na go viral and in fact amount for eke come out no part to the Appiah Stadium. E bi kire say Appiah Stadium says nipa ntina Ghana high amount for emu kumasefo no. Because ade Appiah Stadium e Ghana in fact ogu Kumasi for animals obi anka me meka Appiah Stadium nya akora e de ba ade be bia we wu fie wo cast e de boy sa nkwase ade we na ni we sa boy fun we na Kumasi na ni we ani hwan fa nya se be no ade we mu wo ye panyini that boy nkura sesem we ani hwan fa wo nya akora boy fun we ani hwan despite ba eye by force nkyerenti uro sikani bi apeso be na eye by force everything try you ma comment any people this Appiah Stadium e count na Kumasi for come for mu here people take us for nothing they take us for nothing boy we nyani we wo ma wo yere wo ma wo cast wo fie wo bobra that boy yere that the neighbor form nkoto any hwe henefa any hwe ewom give honor to the person who holds money obi kreska for bu man but enye say nkura sesem we sa boy fun we dai e wanyine try you ma me e wo comment section aha Penyah Block Media background